So hello friends, welcome back to my channel. The Vivo X200 FE will be released in multiple markets in next few weeks. However, it appears that Taiwan will be first country to receive it and it is scheduled to launch there on June 23. An update microsite available on Vivo Malaysia website has revealed several details about the X200 FE, where it is set to launch on June 30. And the Vivo X200 FE measures 7.9 mm in thickness and weighs 186 grams, and it will be available in 4 shades, and those are Black Luxe, Blue Freeze, Pink Vibe and Yellow Glow. The Vivo X200 FE will feature a Sony IMX921 50 megapixel main camera with OIS support and 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 50 megapixel Sony IMX882 telephoto camera. According to a report by Expert Peak, the telephoto camera will support 3x optical zoom for selfies. It will be equipped with 50 megapixel cameras with autofocus support as first for the company's X series of smartphones, and the X200 FE will offer G-style bokeh and multifocal portrait features, allowing users to shoot at 5 different focal lengths, and those are 23mm, 35mm, 50mm, 85mm and 100mm for landscape portrait, narrative portrait, classic portrait, portrait and close-up portrait respectively. The device will include AI-powered photography features such as AI Image Studio, AI Image Expander and Stage Mode, which captures clear stage moments and records loud, clear vocals. The device will run on Android 15 with a layer of FunTouch OS 15 on top, and it will bring an AI office suite that includes features like AI screen translation, AI captions, smart call assistant and circle to search. It will house a 6500 mAh battery that supports 90 watt fast charging. The company claims that a 10-minute charge will allow users to watch 3 hours of streaming video. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.